Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of acne. Number 1. Lemon juice. Thanks to its astringent and exfoliating attribute, lemon juice scores many brownie points on this treatment. Front of acne, just squeeze a lemon into a bowl and add a few drops of rose water to it. Apply this mixture with a cotton ball on the affected area such as the neck or the face. Not only will this prevent pimples forming but will also help for glowing skin and reduce the appearance of scars. This is your one short natural way to keep control of acne and pimples. Number 2. Aloe vera. This cool gel does wonderful to your skin. Just cut an aloe shoot in half, scrape the gel out with a spoon and apply it to the acne. Make this a regular ritual and say goodbye to bacterial infections and acne causing inflammation. You can also buy aloe vera gel for skincare from a herbal store, but make sure it does not contain any hidden ingredients. Are you ready for shooting lovable baby like skin?